All right, let's get into the hidden dangers that are lurking in our power grid.
You see these all the time, right? But they hold a pretty serious secret.
So, what's the connection between electricity and these massive, destructive wildfires?
It really comes down to this: old school, totally bare, uninsulated power lines.
A single tree branch, even a squirrel, can cause a catastrophic spark.
And get this, a lot of this equipment is over 50 years old.
So regulators created these high fire threat districts to force utilities to act. And you can see here, crews are on the front lines, rebuilding the grid for safety.
The solution? It's called grid hardening, and it is a truly massive undertaking.
And we're not talking small change. This is a multi-billion-dollar job.
Utilities basically have two main options, each with some serious pros and cons.
And this chart, wow, it really shows you the scale of the problem for PG&E and SCE.
So let's break down how these two giants are actually tackling this challenge.
PG&E's big plan is to bury power lines completely in the absolute highest risk areas.
But Southern California Edison? They're going all in on insulated overhead wires instead. And they're not messing around. They've already replaced thousands of miles of this stuff.
So you've got two totally different game plans: ultimate safety versus faster, cheaper fixes. But, it's not just about these two big players.
On one hand, you have SMUD with low risk. Then there's Liberty, where everything is threatened.
Yeah, Liberty Utilities faces some of the most extreme risk per mile in the entire country.
And this isn't just a California problem. Oregon's PGE is just starting this journey.
So why the big push now? Well, regulators are mandating these huge changes. And this really matters to everyone. It's about safety, reliability, and yes, your electric bill.
It all leads to this huge question: what really is the true price of safe power?